Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Today, we're installing some shelves and some kitchen cabinets. We're going to be using these brackets, some screws, and of course some shelves. It's pretty basic, pretty simple. And if you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now, I got these brackets off of Amazon because our local big box store didn't have any. But when you're installing these, the important thing is to remember there's a top and a bottom. You can pick which one's which. See how that one looks? It has a slash and two dots. And this side has a slash and one big dot. Make sure when you're installing them, you have them matched up. Let's go ahead and get them in the kitchen cabinet. Okay, these are the screws we're going to be using. They're the best I could find because the brackets didn't come with screws. They were only a couple bucks, nothing too expensive. You might be able to find something better if you look around the store, but I just grabbed what I could find. Okay, as you can see, with these screws, they don't lay just exactly flat. So that may be an issue for you. I don't know. It's not going to bother me because I'm just going to put a shelf up above it or down below it, so it'll work out good for me. Okay, we're going to do our best to keep this right along the edge and nice and square and flat. I know the cabinet's out of square, so I'm just kind of doing the best I can with what I got to work with. Okay, I went ahead and got a couple canned goods. I'm trying to figure out where to put these little clips. These little clips are easy to put on. Now, I went down 2 lines under the screw and you just clip right in, just like that. Nothing fancy. Okay, as you can see, I got my canned goods in, have plenty of room. And I don't like the way this OSB looks, so I went to the big box store, got the Grip Premium Self Liner. I'm going to go ahead, put it on the bottom, make it look a little bit better. I'll have a link to it down in the description box below. Okay, enough said. Up here, I'm probably just going to end up using 2 shelf brackets over here, 2 here, and just cutting the shelf and laying on top of here and going across. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.